Grab the children, run for shelter! Get inside this instant! The storm is here!
Hurry, children! Come inside quickly!
First a drizzle, then suddenly a heavy rain started. The whole village was filled with the smell
In
of
that
mud.
rain, the whole family is sitting together. Those days spent listening to stories.
Hush now, little ones, the rain will pass, safe by the fire.
Remember, children, the earth provides for us, but only if we care for it in return.
It's a dog chasing a camel!
Wow, look at its mouth move. The water keeps rising. Please help me.
Don't worry, sweetie. It's just a loud noise. I won't let anything happen to you.